Hi friends, welcome to Kaliyona. Thank you for your interest to learn Kannada. In this video, we will learn how to start simple conversation in Kannada.
This is the detailed course structure, and today we will be seeing the second part of the introduction module. If you are watching this video on YouTube, please visit our website kaliyona.com. To support the learning, we do have interactive quizzes and discussions. Upon successful completion, you would also be receiving course completion certificates. These are some of the common phrases used to greet others. Hi, hello,
Namaskara. Namaskara. Namaskara.
how are you?
ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
I am doing good.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Good morning,
ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಶುಭೋದಯ. ಶುಭೋದಯ.
good night,
ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ. ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ. ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ.
best wishes,
ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ.
good luck,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ.
welcome,
ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ.
bye, see you,
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ.
let us recall some phrases now. Good morning,
ಶುಭೋದಯ.
hi, how are you?
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
I am doing good.
ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Bye, see you.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ.
So, this was the second part of our introduction module. In our next video, let's learn some of the common words that we use in Kannada. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and do leave your comments below. Do not forget to share this video with your friends.